Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Zulfikar Somro. So currently we are moving towards our lecture number 11, that is about sequence and series. In this lecture we will be knowing about the main topics and important outlines which you will be covering in the test of entrance exam of engineering universities. So moving towards our next slide, first of all we should know that what are sequences and what are series. These are the main outlines which we will be covering in this whole presentation. First we will be discussing about the sequence, and then we will be moving towards formula for the nth term, recurrence relations, arithmetic sequences, arithmetic series, the sum of first in natural numbers, the sum of an arithmetic series using summation notation, examination style questions. लास्ट में आपको बताऊंगा कि एंट्री में आपके कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज में 2-3 क्वेश्चन तो लाजमी आते हैं. जब मैंने एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दिया था तो उसमें मेन जो टॉपिक्स थे मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में बताए थे, उसमें से ही आए थे. सो कमिंग टुवर्ड्स और नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि सबसे पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया, बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें जिससे आप ज़्यादा लेक्चर हासिल कर सकें. जो भी मैं आपको लेक्चर प्रोवाइड करूंगा, लाइक को प्रेस करें और शेयर करें. मेरे लेक्चर को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचाएं ताकि दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स भी इस लेक्चर से ज़्यादा फ़ायदा उठा सकें. और लेक्चर कम्प्लीटली देखिए. जब तक आप लेक्चर कंप्लीट नहीं देखेंगे तब तक आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन कंप्लीट नहीं मिल सकती. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, introducing sequence. Basically a sequence is a succession of numbers called terms that follow a given. For example, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. This one is a sequence of square numbers starting with the 9. Basically there are two types of sequence, finite and infinite. So a sequence can be finite as shown by the above given example. At the end of sequence shown above, it can be finite. For example, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48 and 96 is a finite sequence containing 6 terms. A sequence can be defined as a formula for nth term for the sequence or a recurrence relation together with the first term of sequence. Coming towards our second outline, that is about the formula of nth term. The nth term or general term of a sequence is often given using subscript or suffix notation as mu n. The first term is then called mu n. आप कोई सा भी अल्फाबेट यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज U, A, B, C, any of it. It depends on you. But the formula which the scientists have made and mathematicians have made, that are second term is U2, third term is U3, fourth term is U4, and the denotation of fifth term is U5, and so on. Keeping that, for example, the terms in a sequence could also be given as T1, T2, T3, T4. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि आप कोई सा भी इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट यूज कर सकते हो in the denotation of sequence and series terms. Any term in the sequence can be found by substituting its position number into a given formula for un. For example, the formula of nth term of a sequence is given by un, which is equal to 4n minus 5. So we have to find first 5 terms in this sequence. How we will be finding? Our first term is 4 multiply 1 minus 5. Second term will be 4 multiply 2 minus 3. Okay, so putting the integers from 1 to 5 because we have to find the value of 5 terms. Okay, so replace n with the 1, 2, 3, 4 values and again 5. We'll be getting minus 1, 3, 7, 11 and 15 is a 5 terms. Coming towards our recurrence relations, to find the sequence using the recurrence relation, we need the value of our first term and an expression relating each term to a previous term. For a sequence of minus 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, each term can be found by adding 4 to the previous term. In this sequence, for example, we have been given a question. हमें ये जैसे example मिला हुआ है कि minus 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. हम इसमें से common difference मालूम करेंगे. मतलब second में से first term माइनस करेंगे, फिर third में से second, फिर fourth में से third, फिर fifth में से fourth. तो हमें common difference मिल जाएगा, that is equal to 4 because 3 minus 1. 3 minus minus 1, minus into minus plus हो जाएगा. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. 11 minus 7 equals to 4. Same as 15 minus 11 equals to 4. So we can write U1 equals to minus 1, U2 equals to 3, U3 equals to 7, Q4 equals to 11 and so on. UN plus 1 equals to UN plus 4. That is our general term. A recurrence relation together with the first term of a sequence is called as inductive definition. Basically, inductive definition for the sequence -1, 3, 7, 11, 15. So u1 first term equals to -1, whereas nth term un plus 1 equals to 4n plus 4. Basically, a sequence is given by a recurrence relation un plus 1 equals to 2u1 plus 1 with u1 equals to 3. Write down the first 5 terms of sequence. Here मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया है कि हमें 5 terms लिखने हैं सीक्वेंस के, तो u1 equals to 3, put value of n equals to 2, 2 multiply 3 plus 1 equals to 7, and then put value of n again by writing the number 2 multiply 7 equals plus 1 equals to 15, and so on, and we'll be getting u5 equals to 2 multiply 31 plus 1 equals to 63. So the first 5 terms in sequence are 3, 7, 15, 31 and 63. Coming towards our next slide, that is about arithmetic sequences. In an arithmetic sequence, the arithmetic progression we also call sequence as a progression. हम sequence को progression भी कहते हैं. Okay, the difference between any two consecutive terms is always the same. This is called common difference. मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया कि common difference उसे कहते हैं जो हमारी सेकंड टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म या थर्ड टर्म को सेकंड टर्म से माइनस करें और जो आंसर है वो इक्वल आए दोनों का, तो उसे हम कॉमन डिफरेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, the sequence is 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. We have to find the common difference, that is 3. 11 minus 8 equals to 3, 14 minus 11 equals to 3, whereas 17 minus 14 equals to 3, same as 20 minus 17 equals to 3. So we can write the sequence as 8, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 plus 3, 8 plus 3 plus 3, and 17 is 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 20 is 8 plus 3, 8 plus 2 into 3. We have to break 2 multiplies equals to 16. So 6 plus 8 equals to 14. Same as 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 equals to 17 by breaking out. For example, if we call the first term of an arithmetic sequence A and the common difference D, we can write a general arithmetic sequence as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So remember these terms for inference. These are also the sum of tricks. That A is denoting the first term, A plus D is equal to second term, because जब हम कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करेंगे फर्स्ट टर्म में तो बेसिकली वो हमारा क्या होगा, सेकंड टर्म. ऐसे ही 2D मतलब डिफरेंस को ट्वाइस करें और फर्स्ट टर्म से ऐड करें तो हमारा थर्ड टर्म, ट्वाइस करें तो और ऐड करें फर्स्ट टर्म से तो थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म. सेम एज A plus 4 equals to our fifth term. So the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is A plus n minus 1 into D. Also, the inductive definition of an arithmetic sequence with first n term and also a common difference D is u1 equals to A, un plus 1 equals to un plus D. So if we have given the example that what is the formula for the nth term of a sequence tan 7 4 1 minus 2. This is an arithmetic sequence with first 5 terms, that is A equals to 10 and common difference equals to minus 3. So the nth term has been given that A plus n minus into D, so un equals to 10 plus minus 3 n minus 1, that is equals to 10 minus 3 n plus 1. Finding the value of n, that is equal to n will be equal to 13 upon 3. Let's take the formula for the first 5 terms in a sequence. u1 equals to 13 minus 3 into 1 equals to 10. Putting value of n equals to 2, we get 7 and 3 equals to 4. ओके, इंशाल्लाह हम ये नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आगे लेक्चर नंबर 12 में कवर करते चलेंगे आहिस्ता बाय आहिस्ता. मैं आपको सेकंड जो हमारा एग्जांपल है ये वाला, फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन द फाइनाइट अरिथमेटिक सीक्वेंस, दैट इज योर होमवर्क. काइंडली डू इट, प्रैक्टिस इट एंड मेक प्रैक्टिसाइज्ड डेली. ओके, थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़.